Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy holidays. Today we are making some meringue cookies in the shape of gingerbread men. Look at that cute couple. For a basic meringue cookie, you need meringue powder, sugar, water, and some kind of flavoring. I've got vanilla extract here. Because I also want my gingerbread people to be brown, I added some dark cocoa powder and instant coffee. I also used some dark chocolate to make their faces. So you're basically just gonna throw all your meringue powder and water into your mixer. If you're using egg whites instead of meringue powder, you would just start by whipping them alone in the bowl. Now, I probably did this backwards, but I added the vanilla and then started adding my sugar. You want to add your sugar just a little bit at a time, not all at once. And you're going to notice it's starting to get fluffy. Your mixture should be smooth, not grainy. So if you rub some between your fingers and you can still feel the sugar, keep mixing. I mixed mine for quite a while and it was still feeling grainy, so I went ahead and added some more water. This is what you want right here, some nice stiff peaks. Don't forget to add in your cocoa powder and instant coffee. Put it in a piping bag and you're ready to go. I didn't show this on camera, but you want to make sure you get all the bubbles and ridges out because they will show in the finished product. Just give your tray a couple of taps on the countertop and they should come out. You're going to bake these at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes and then turn the oven off and crack the oven door with something like a wooden spoon. What you don't want is for your cookies to have any sort of sudden changes in temperature or they'll crack. I left mine in the oven overnight with the oven off to cool down slowly. Put some melted chocolate in a piping bag and draw on their faces. And we'll give these guys some cute little bow ties. Meringue cookies are very delicate, so use an offset spatula to get them off the paper. And there you have it. There's our happy couple and some friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday, and until next time, bye!